Learn to play simple chords on piano. Today, let's learn to play very simple chords on the piano. It's great to know these simple chords to get started with your two-handed piano play. A piano chord is a combination of two or more notes played simultaneously to create harmony. Chords are a fundamental aspect of music, providing the harmonic foundation that supports melodies. They are built using specific patterns of intervals and can vary widely in complexity and sound. Chords form the foundation of much of Western music, providing the harmonic context in which melodies are built. They can consist of as few as 2 or 3 note intervals or many notes, but most commonly, they are built from 3 or more notes. Playing chords helps pianists develop a deeper understanding of music. Chords require the use of multiple fingers and often both hands. Using various fingers helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Practicing chords consistently strengthens finger muscles and improves agility, making it easier to play more complex pieces. Learning to play simple chords on the piano is an essential skill that can greatly enhance your musical abilities. Practicing these chords will help you develop your fingering techniques and build muscle memory, making it easier to play songs with both hands. How to play piano chords. Identify the root note. Find the starting note of the chord on the keyboard. Build the chord. Add the third and fifth or any other note according to the type of chord. Proper fingering. Use correct finger placement for smooth playing and transitions. Understanding and mastering piano chords is fundamental for any pianist, as chords are very important for playing and understanding a wide range of music. They form the foundation of many musical pieces, providing structure, support for melodies, and a harmonic context. Before you start playing, understand that chords are a combination of notes played together. The most basic chords are triads, which consist of 3 notes: the root, the third, and the fifth. Major triads have a happy and bright sound. The chords which we are about to learn are C major chord, F major chord, and G major chord. Learning the C major, F major, and G major chords is a fantastic starting point, as these chords are fundamental and commonly used in many songs. C major chord is a combination of C, which is the root note, E, which is the third note, and G note, which is the fifth note. F major chord is a combination of F, which is the root note, A, which is the third note, and C, which is the fifth note. G major chord is a combination of G, which is the root note, B, which is the third note, and D, which is the fifth note. Best fingers for left hand to play the chords. Use your pinky finger to play the root note. Use your ring finger to play the third note. Use your index finger to play the fifth note. Best fingers for right hand to play the chords. Use your thumb finger to play the root note. Use your index finger to play the third note. Use your ring finger to play the fifth note. Play the chords repeatedly for smooth transitions between the three learned chords. We will be using these chords along with melodies soon. We hope you enjoyed the content and are thrilled to continue this musical journey with us. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest lessons. Keep an eye out for more engaging tutorials. Thank you.